Hi everyone. So in this video, we will going to talk about the customer object of the Stripe. So why you use it, like what is the benefit of using it, and everything. So let's start. So if you go into the Stripe documentation, here you find a customer. So what exactly they are? So a customer are anything. For example, any user is coming on a website and you want to make him as a customer. So this is the object that will use. So whenever you make a checkout, be it a subscription or be it like one time, so Stripe will automatically create one customer against that order. So now comes to the what is the benefit of like having a customer. The main benefit of having a customer is having a same information at a single place. So let me tell you one interesting thing. So for example, you are using a normal payment gateway and you are using a same email ID. For example, let's take a test@gmail.com. and you are making a multiple transaction. So Stripe will identify all of them are distinguished. All are separate for the Stripe until unless you will pass their customer ID into that checkout session API. This is the one thing. Second is sometimes you just want to make a default payment gateway for particular users. So that you can do. Sometimes you just want to make a separate order ID or separate invoice setting for a particular user that you can do. I will tell you like how. This is a different method. Like there is a one invoice prefix method, invoice setting is method. And the most important thing is you just want to combine all the payment related to the single user. So that's also you need a like customer. So how you will create it, delete it and everything. So that for that API is this post API. This is the API. So let's move on to the bubble side. So this is the API for creating a user, the same API that we're using. This is the URL, the post call, and this is the content type, and you can pass anything like that. So I just use a few of that parameter, but you can use anything. And here detailed description is there. You can even pass that metadata into your particular user you just want to add. You can create it. So let me just go to that customer. So this is the form I already created it. When someone click on that create customer button, this API will call. That right now we are just passing the name and email. You can pass anything you just want to. You can pass that address of particular user and anything that you can use. Right now, if you go into the dashboard of that slide. So if you're a customer, all these customer will list here. So let me just F9 and next one is email ID. So when you create customer, it automatically create one customer if you just refresh this page. So this API will return you all the customer ID. So if you go into the plugin and check it out as menu, so this is the ID of that particular customer that you can pass to any checkout or like order details and everything, so that you can get a particular user order detail, or you just want to tie up any checkout for the particular customer that you can do via like a checkout. There is always a customer ID key that you can pass that value, that simple this value that will return into that API. So if you go into dashboard, that F9 is up here. Here when you click over that, you can see all these current subscription, payment method used, or the amount he purchases, at the current balance or something, like all the detail you can, and the same that you can fetch using API. I hope that makes sense. If you have any issue, just comment it out here, and if you have any doubt, you can even mail me at ankur@nocode.com. Thanks a lot.